How's it going, guys? It's Aaron Davis, 3-3.
Guys, you don't have any sunglasses, don't you?
I don't have any. I'm sorry. Oh, they are pretty cute, like myself. But let's just keep walking.
Yo, take a fucking video of that.
All right, guys, check this out.
Woo! Woo! Cobalt gang. Cobalt gang.
All right, this is the Honda guy Chris's channel, but you know what I'm doing? We're taking over.
VTech.
We're taking over. Me and Nikki V, 350Z, right here. You know, gang all day. All right, guys, we're about to go get Kyle Rosman. He's a bitch though, so we have to go get him right now. Here we go, the life of the party right here.
Wait, where's the truck?
Oh, there's a little Cha. There's Sean.
Where's the truck's at? Where's your car?
Kyle thinks he's funny because I drive.
SUV.
Yeah, because
Oh, all right.
He drives a lifted 350.
He's just mad because I don't fuck with rep wheels. Yeah, right here. This is my homie. This is my homie right there. Don't even know who that is. That's my homie. All right, guys. I just want to show you my friend's B5 S4 with reps. It's kind of fucked up, but
Yo, what up? Oh, whose ugly ass car is this?
I'm fucking, whoever drives this is probably a
just want to let you know that he hammered his fucking fenders in.
Nice. So,
The only cool thing he has about this is it's locked.
Yeah,
rep rim.
But the only thing that's cool about this car is, let me show you.
Are you talking about the eBay bumper?
Nah, dude, his
Oh, okay.
S4 badge is cambered.
Can't even tell you, fag.
I can tell, dude.
No, you can't.
Can you tell by this angle or? I saw it, dude.
Fucking bitch.
All right. That's not
At least
gonna
you
work.
have that.